Hi everyone and welcome to Supergrads. My name is Abhel Chauhan and I know everyone is excited about the upcoming CUET 2026 exam. Excitement भी है, curiosity भी है कि what does the NTA have up its sleeve in the upcoming exams? Syllabus क्या होने वाला है? Surprises क्या होने वाले हैं? So I'm here with this video where I'll tell you a detailed where we'll have a detailed discussion around the syllabus, कैसे पढ़ना है, क्या पढ़ना है, that is what we will be dealing with in this session. So let's begin, students. And before starting, this is what the NTA says in its website. Website पर अगर आप syllabus देखने जाओगे, you would see reading comprehension, factual, narrative, literary, but there are poem-based RCs as well, as we have seen in previous years. And सिर्फ एनटीए इतना बता रहे कि verbal ability में they will be rearranging match the column, choosing the word synonym, antonym. Now there's a very peculiar phrase in this syllabus. एक बहुत ऐसी subtle detail है जो बच्चे miss कर जाते हैं. What is that? Questions from the language section will be from the following topics, the topics that are mentioned here, but are not limited to. ये बोलकर एनटीए बच जाता है, ये बोलकर एनटीए ये कह रहा है कि जो हम आपसे सिलेबस में डिस्कस कर रहे हैं दैट विल बी अ पार्ट ऑफ द एग्जाम, बट हम कुछ भी पूछ सकते हैं. वी आर नॉट लिमिटेड टू दीज थिंग्स. व्हाट डज इट मीन? और ये नॉट लिमिटेड टू वाली बात 2023 में हमने देखा, 2024 में देखा. इन दिस ईयर्स पेपर एज वेल देयर वर समथिंग दैट वी एज टीचर्स आल्सो डिडंट एक्सपेक्ट. So what do we have, students? So the first thing, reading comprehension. In what in reading comprehension, what type of questions is NTA asking? Factual passages. Now, when they say factual passages are based on facts, they are based on data. So, based on information, data, or events. Narrative passages are passages where you narrate a story. There can be stories, there can be personal accounts. Literary passages are excerpts. They are parts of a big fictional work. They are part of a big play. That is what literary passages are. And poem-based passages which were there in CUET 2023. So with the unpredictability that NTA has to offer every year, I think poem based RC के importance को भी आप undermine नहीं कर सकते हो. इसके भी questions exam में दिख सकते हैं. Now when we talk about what type of questions, ठीक है, here we discussed the type of passages that can be there in CUET 2026. But if I talk about the type of questions based on main idea, inference, there can be contextual vocabulary based question, summary based questions, tone and attitude of the author, tone and mood of the entire passage, and logical flow and structure. So these are the type of questions that can be there from the reading comprehension section. So दो चीजें हमने discuss करी. Number one, the type of passages that we can have and the type of questions we can expect. Now I know there will be a lot of confusion कि सर कैसे preparation करना क्या है. So if you wish to get a perfect score, that is 1000 out of 1000 in CUET 2026, I think before starting the preparation, this is your time to get a one-to-one session with our experts, and you can book the sessions by the numbers that are mentioned in the description. So that is how you can book your sessions. Preparation करने से पहले there has to be a perfect strategy. मैं चाहूंगा आप वो strategy लेकर आगे चलो. So that was about reading comprehension, students. उसके बाद they say verbal ability. Now verbal ability is in itself a very vast term. इसके अंदर क्या क्या चीजें आती हैं? Rearranging the parts or sentence rearrangement. This is a type that has been there in CUET in every year. It has been there for all the 4 years that CUET has been conducted. Sentence rearrangement के question fluctuate होते रहते हैं, कभी कम कभी ज्यादा. But yes, there are questions of sentence rearrangement. Match the following. Then you have choosing the word and synonym antonyms. Now, what does this thing synonym antonym mean? What does vocabulary mean? Vocabulary के किस type के questions exam में हो रहे हैं? So there are synonyms, antonyms, one word substitution, idioms and phrases. ये आजकल काफी ट्रेंड में चल रहा है. वर्ड यूजेज इन कॉन्टेक्स्ट और यू कुड से कॉन्टेक्चुअल वोकैबुलरी 2024 एंड 2025 के पेपर में ज्यादा इसके क्वेश्चन थे. एग्जाम में डायरेक्ट ये वाले क्वेश्चंस जो होते हैं कि कोई word है and you have to tell the synonym, that can be a dicey question, that can be a tricky question कि या तो word पता है या नहीं पता है. But when you have to answer a word in context, I think going forward जो भी बच्चे CUET की प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं आपको इसकी प्रैक्टिस ज्यादा करनी चाहिए. एग्जाम अब इसी डायरेक्शन में मूव कर रहा है. Then there are questions of foreign phrases and there are questions related to root words, prefix or suffix. So that is how the vocabulary pans out. Then you have grammar students. अब आप याद करो जब हमने एनटीए की वेबसाइट का ऑफिशियल सिलेबस देखा था, there was no mention of grammar. But grammar के क्वेश्चन CUET 2023 में बहुत सारे थे. 24 में there were only 2 to 3 questions. 25 में भी there were around 4 to 5, not many, but yes, grammar is such a topic जिसको आप ignore नहीं कर सकते. So there are questions of error detection, there are questions of sentence correction, fill in the blank type questions based on topic like tenses, preposition, article, etc., subject verb agreement, sentence improvement, there are parts of speech type questions, there are questions on modal verbs, active passive 2023 में था, but उसके बाद से there hasn't been a question on active passive and narration. Subject verb agreement, parallelism. These are again some of the very important topics that you need to cover when you talk about grammar. So that was grammar for you. And last but not the least, verbal ability जो बात लिखी हुई थी. So that is rearranging the parts, sentence rearrangement. मैंने बताया एक ऐसा topic. Reading comprehension and sentence rearrangement. These are two topics that have been there in all the years that CUET has been conducted and in all the shifts as well. Paragraph completion, sentence completion, flow of idea, match the column. Now match the column हर तरीके से एग्जाम में होता है. There can be a vocabulary question in match the column, there can be a grammar question in match the column, there can be questions from phrasal verbs, there can be questions from foreign phrases. And analogy student, analogy word pair relationship, इसके question 2022 में थे, 2025 में थे. So this is a topic that has been on and off when we talk about the CUET exam. So I believe my students have clarity now कि 2026 एग्जाम के लिए अगर आप प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हो सिलेबस में क्या क्या चीजें आपको ध्यान रखनी है. So that is all for this video. Thank you students.